What's going on? It's your boy here, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 from the Toronto studio, and in this video we're going to actually be talking about, do you need business cards? We're getting a lot of questions about, are business cards necessary with social media, being in the digital age? Do we need them for our business? Is it worth it? And we're going to answer those questions in this video. So the first thing that you need to realize for business cards versus social media is that you're working in a diverse landscape. You're working with a bunch of different people from a bunch of different walks of life. Excuse me. And to some, it's going to be more important than others, right? Especially if you're going after larger clientele. If you're going after larger accounts and larger businesses, then yes, it's 100% necessary. If you're going to mom and pop shops, I would still argue it's necessary. And I'll tell you why. A billboard, a business card is like your own little personal billboard. One that they can keep in their pocket, call you up, and even if that business card only gets you one sale, it's paid for itself, right? Even if it's only gotten you one call back, it's paid for itself. So making that initial investment is a good idea. It also looks good on you and makes your business look more legitimate, right? And that's what you want. You want legitimacy when prospecting clients. You want legitimacy when communicating with other businesses, right? That's what you need. You need legitimacy. And the only way you're going to get that level of legitimacy is by investing. And business cards are a worthwhile investment, especially if you're dealing with older executives. They still really, really respond well to business cards, right? So these are things I want you to think about when asking yourself, do I need a business card for my business? And the answer is yes. That's just a short and simple, sweet answer of it. Now, there's a lot of really affordable ways to get a business card. There's a lot of templates online if you can't afford a designer. A lot of online print shops where you can do bulk orders for like $50, $40 for 100 business cards. So it's not that much of an investment to sink into when you think about the potential reward. Like, especially if you're going to networking events. Networking events are really key to hand out business cards. They work really well. People you meet just through life when you're talking to them, like you could be in an Uber talking to your driver and find out they have a small business that your service can work for, and you just drop them a business card, right? It works out really, really well. So yes, business cards are useful, very useful. Sorry, I have a sore throat. So you do need them. And the more you start to get into business, the more necessary they become. If you're going to meetings, you want to leave them as part of a presentation package, right? When you're prospecting or pitching, right? So don't discount the value of a good business card. Don't discount the value of what a good business card can do for you, especially if you combine it with a QR code. And it links to your website, it links to your social, it links to wherever you want it to go, so that you are now driving traffic to your sales page through your business card, right? You can have a greeting message. You can make it interactive. You can make it couple into some sort of digital prospecting tool. But it needs to be done well. So, I would ask you, what's your business card? Do you agree with this video? If you don't agree or do agree, leave a comment below. We'd love to get a reply back from you. And I'll check you all in the next video. I'm 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐞 from the Toronto studio, and I look forward to talking with all of you, and I'm sorry for my sore throat. Thanks.